Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we will be reading Do You Wonder Why Bugs Are Good? So let's get started. Little Betty was walking through their vegetable gardens when all of a sudden she began to scream, "Bugs! Ugly creeping bugs! They're all over the place!" "What's all the fuss?" her grandfather inquired. "Yuck! There are so many nasty critters all over our vegetables. I'm afraid to pick any for dinner tonight. Let's just start to squish them. Yikes! Bad bug, get off me!" "Betty, wait! Don't hurt him! That's a praying mantis, and he's a good bug," her grandfather said, as he gently brushed off the praying mantis. Betty asked, "What do you mean by good bugs?" "Just because it's a bug, or we don't understand it, or like the way it looks, doesn't make it bad," he said. "There are bugs that eat or kill our vegetables. I think those are bad bugs. Then there are bugs that eat or chase away those bad bugs. I think those are good bugs. In fact, I put good bugs in my garden so I don't have to use chemicals to chase away the bad bugs. I have an idea. Let's go on a safari. It will help you understand." "A safari?" she exclaimed. "Let's go." Betty's grandfather then explained that she would have to use her imagination to make them very small, so that they could go on a safari into the world of insects. In a flash, they were there. Betty was a little frightened, but she knew that it was all her imaginary. "What do we do now?" she whispered. "Just walk slowly and observe, and I will explain about all of the good bugs I put in the garden," he replied. "Over there, is that the praying mantis that landed on you? He eats flies and some bad beetles. And because he is big, he has big pincers and can give you quite a pinch. Ladybugs and the other similar beetles eat little tiny aphids, mites, and other soft-bodied bugs and their eggs. Spined soldier bugs, stink bugs, feed on all sorts of garden pests. But don't accidentally squish one of these, they're really small. There are many more, but it's getting late. We need to go back to pick vegetables for our dinner. We can go on a safari to the world of the insects again tomorrow." "Grandpa, that was great!" Betty shrieked with joy. "I now understand what you meant by good bugs, and I realize that even though they are good, they can still bite or sting, so I'll be real careful. I can't wait until we can go on a safari again. Thank you for listening."